Can I throw a shirt?
Go. Oh! Guys, there's 3 rounds.
Are you gonna get up? What you gonna do?
Oh.
Man, he's calling it.
Yo, you better rage it, Brian.
What you gonna do? Or anything? Oh, crap.
No,
Yeah!
I think he snapped my neck.
Right in the chest.
Yo, he's hurt.
He's hurt. Can we just sit there for a second?
Holy crap! Yo, you hurt him!
I think he snapped my neck. I think he snapped my neck.
Ryan, was that the Ryan, seriously, was that the guard? Is that what you do? You snapped the neck?